The main body of this bunny is the same as the main body of this chick. Use white yarn for the main body. After finishing the main body, we'll learn to crochet the bunny ears. We saw this. This stitch is for attaching the bag strap part. The next stitch needs to be left empty. After skipping one stitch in this stitch, take our white yarn and pull up a loop, leaving a short tail in the back. Chain to CH2. After chaining, yarn over yoke. Then insert the hook into this same stitch. Place this yarn tail over the hook and hold it tight so it gets worked in. Double crochet DC, pull up a loop. First, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Then pull through the remaining 2 loops. In the next stitch, work another DC the same way. This is the second DC. Works a total of 5 DC. After finishing, chain to CH2, then turn your work. After turning, you can see a gap here. This is the first stitch. Works ADC decrease DC deck. Insert hook for ADC. Yarn over yoke. Pull up a loop. Pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. But don't complete the stitches yet. Then hook, yarn over yoke, and go into the next stitch. Insert hook. Pull up a loop. There are 4 loops on the hook now. Pulling through the first 2. Then there are 3 loops left on the hook. Pull through all 3 at once. This is ADC decrease DC deck. Then work 1 DC. There are 2 stitches left. Work another decrease deck. Pulling through the first 2, then pull through all the remaining loops at once. Yarn over yoke. Chain 1 CH1 here. Then turn your work again. Yarn over yoke. Here works a half double crochet decrease HDC deck. Insert hook. Pull up a loop. Okay, don't complete it yet. Yarn over yoke. Go into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Now there are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all of them at once. This is a HDC decrease HDC deck. Yarn over yoke. In the next stitch, works 1 HDC. After 1 HDC, chain 1 CH1, then turn. These 2 places have 2 stitches left. Just work a HDC decrease HDC deck directly. Pull through all 5 loops at once. Chain to CH2 here, then. Leave a short tail and cut the yarn. This is the first bunny ear. First, find this side. After the stitches for the bag strap, skip 1 stitch again. This is the skipped stitch. Then count 5 stitches this way. This is the 5th one. Insert hook here. Pull up a loop. Chain to CH2. Then, in the same way as before. In the first stitch, work a double crochet DC. Works a total of 5 DC. These are the 5 DC. This is the skipped stitch. Don't work into it. Then chain to CH2. Turn. First, work a DC decrease DC deck. Then work 1 DC. Then continue with another DC decrease DC deck. After finishing, chain 1 CH1, then turn again. HDC decrease HDC deck. 1 HDC. Chain 1 CH1, turn. HDC decrease HDC deck. Pull through all loops at once, chain to CH2. Cut the yarn. This is the second bunny ear. Then find the stitch right after this bag strap stitch. Also use white yarn. Chain 1 CH1. Then directly insert hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop and slip stitch sole street. Work 1 slip stitch as L street in each stitch. Don't pull the slip stitches too tight. This edge part should be loose. When we reach the ear part, insert hook into the stitches of the ear. Don't pull it too tight here. Then follow this. Ears up. Work a slip stitch as L street in each whole space. At the top part, work to slip stitches as L street. Work to sole street in the same stitch. Place the yarn to the back. Find a whole space along the edge. Insert hook, then continue with slip stitches. Keep working slip stitches like this. Any hold space you can insert the hook into, and that doesn't overlap with another. You can work 1 slip stitch as L street. The slip stitches here should be a bit loose. In this same stitch, still working a slip stitch. There are 3 stitches in the middle. First, work 1 slip stitch in this side stitch. Work a slip stitch in this middle stitch. After the slip stitch, chain 10 CH10. After chaining, go back to the middle stitch. Work another slip stitch as L street. This is for the small openings. Continue with slip stitches all the way. This is the first ear. Continue to the second ear. Work slip stitches up like this. After working up, keep working slip stitches until the starting point. Then left a short tail. Cut the yarn. Then weave in the ends, and we're done.